Okay, sir. A very good evening. My name is Solomon Alakivkiran. My metric number is 25 PDT 21F 2023. Today, I would like to present about PBT ITN. Okay, we need to build a small network with an upright network device for a given situation. The topic refers with construct IP addressing and subnetting, build a basic LAN configuration, and configure wireless LAN. The duration time is 7 hours. This assessment done in a group of 3 students. Yeah, answer all the question and screenshot and related configuration and result. Submit your packet as a file and report using following format. Okay. Okay. The objectives tell about set up a network topology and calculate the subnetting table. Configure switch and router. Okay. The background scenario. Your company get a new project to build and install a network for KPJ Hospital Kalwang. You as a network engineer are given the task to build a network which is divided into several locations including admin, finance, technician, reception and lobby areas. The wireless network is used for lobby area only. So by using the network address for 192.168.80.0/24, construct the subnetting for all the subnets. The table 1 below shows the number of required hosts for each location. So the location and number of hosts. The location of admin was given, number of hosts is 12 and the finance is 6, technician is 4 and respiration is 5 and the lobby area is 30. The required resources router PTMT and need to add 5 PT router NM 1 CGE interfaces port, switch 2960 home router, personal computer and connection type smartphone and laptop. Okay, the first step, construct the subnetting table. Subnet the 192.168.80.0/24 network into the appropriate number of students. Complete the table 2 below with appropriate data. Show your calculation on how to get the data in the subnetting table. Okay. Our IP address is 192.168.80.0 slash prefix is 24. Okay, the number of hosts. Two number of hosts. The calculation of number of hosts is 2 power of h negative 2. Okay. So the switch lobby area is given by 30. So the 2 power of host negative 2. And then we need to calculate how do we get the 2 power of h to get 32. 2 power of 5 we will get the host 32. Okay. The host bit is 5 because 2 power of 5 is equals to 32. Each subnet will get 32 and then the default we will get 255.255.255.0, and then we need to custom it. We will get the magic number and then we will get the number of subnet. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is the way that we are calculate the subnetting table. There was a given 7 subnet number, so we need to calculate it. So first, the zero subnet number is 192.168.80.0. It's the network address, and then we need to plus 1 for the first usable host address. We will get 192.168.80.1, and then our last usable address we need to plus it for 29. So then we will get 192.168.80.30. So on the broadcast address, we need to plus it 1. So we will get 192.168.80.31. So each way we calculate, this is the way the 7 subnet table we get the way this calculation, sir. So we need to plus it and then the first usable to last usable host address we need to plus 29. So we will get like this. and then we will get the subnetting table, full of the subnetting table. Okay, okay. Step 2, we need to build a network topology on packet tracer. Sketch the network topology based on scenarios and all the required resources given. Okay, let me show you how I get this kind of picture. Okay, okay. This is our small network. This is our small network topology that we are get. So we label it a router switch. We will given a five switch, one router and five PC. Our lobby area will get the wireless router, and then a smartphone and a laptop. We will go to step 3.1. Okay, the 3.1 is construct basic switch configuration. Configure the switch according to the following guidelines. Okay, the switch configuration item, we need to configure host name, password for user mode, password for privilege mode, password for virtual terminal 0 to 4, all password encryption, and the banner message. So our requirement is not uh, group 1, ours is group 2, so we change it. So I will show you how we get the result. Okay, our host name is switch hashtag. First, our configuration we will ask switch slash, and then we need to click enable, and then we need to configuration terminal. We will get the with now we want to change the host name, so our host name switch admin group 2, so you enter, and then other step you will know the name will change it. Okay, password for user mode, we need to click config t, and then we they will show switch admin group 2, and then line console 0, and then the second step will show the switch admin group 2 config line. Password, we need to put our password group 2, and then we just log in and exit, and then we need to put the password for privilege mode. The privilege mode, we exit, and then we do back the same thing, and then we enable the password for group 2, and then we exit. Virtual the terminal, we do the configuration for the virtual terminal. So whenever we do enable configuration terminal, and then we need to do the line virtual terminal y0/4, and then we put the password for the line is group 2, and then we log in exit, and then all we need to do the all password encryption. So we need to config and surface password encryption, and then we need to exit. So the last step is banner message. So the banner message is we need to do config t, we click to banner mode td, this is my group only, so we will get it. So we need to exit, it will show configure from console by console. So all the configuration will be do like that. So step 3.2 is construct basic router configuration. We need to do the configure item for the router lah. So the router is we need to do host name and password for user mode and password for privilege mode, all password encryption. So I will show you how we do that. Okay, our host name router, we need to save this configuration. So our host name router, we change it router. So router, we click to enable, and then we change it to config t, it will show hashtag when then we change the router name, host name, router slash group 2. So the we whenever we go to password for user mode, the second step, so the on the name it will show router group 2. So we need to do for the line console 0, and then we do like just now we do at the switch, that's the same way. And then we do for the privilege mode router, and then we do for the all password encryption like for the switch. And that's all, sir, from me. Next, my teammate will present. Thank you, sir.
Good day, everyone. My name is Sugantan Gopi. So now I'm going to present the step 4. Step 4.1: assign the subnet location to the network in topology you create in table 2 subnetting table. So in subnet, 0 is admin, 1 is finance, 2 is technician, 3 is receptionist, 4 is lobby area. Step 4.2: use the following guidance. Assign IP address. A. For LAN connection, assign the first usable IP address as gateway of each network that connected to router. So we have to configure interface fast internet 0 stroke 0. For the fast internet 0 stroke 0 IP address is 192.168.80.1. Then for interface fast internet 1 stroke 0, the IP address is 192.168.80.33. After that, for interface fast internet 2.0, the IP address is 192.168.80.65. Then for interface fast internet 3 stroke 0 is IP address is 192.168.80.97. Then the interface fast internet 40 IP address is 192.168.80.129. So the B question is assign the second usable IP addresses to the switch LAN 1. For the admin, uh, we have to interface LAN. The IP address is 192.168.80.2. The IP default gateway is 192.168.80.1. For the finance is the IP address of LAN 1 is 192.168.80.34, and the IP address for default gateway is 192.168.80.33. And for the technician, IP address for LAN 1 means 192.168.80 dot 66, and the at IP default gateway is 192.168.80.65. For the receptionist is the IP address for LAN 1 is 192.168.80.98, and the IP default gateway is 192.168.80.97. For the lobby LAN IP address is 192.168.80.130, and the IP default gateway is 192.168.80.129. C. Assign the last usable IP address to the host PC. So for the PC admin, the IPv4 address is 192.168.80.30, and for PC finance is 192.168.80.62, and for the PC technician is 192.168.80.94, and the PC receptionist is 192.168.80.126, and for the PC lobby is 192.168.80.158, and the D is assign the second last usable and last usable IP address to laptop and smartphone. For the smartphone is IP4 address is 192.168.80.132, and for the laptop is 192.168.80.134. And E is configure IP address on router LAN interface. Set interface IP address for all router. Set a description for each interface. So now for the interface fast Ethernet 0/0 description is 1 to admin. After that, for the interface fast Ethernet 1/0 is description 1 to finance. After that, for the interface fast Ethernet 2.0 is description 1 to technician. Then for the interface fast Ethernet description is 1 to receptionist. So the step 5 is a setup wireless configuration. A. Configure wireless router. Roman 1. Assign the third usable IP address to the wireless router. So the wireless router, the router IP address is 192.168.80 and 131. After that, Roman 2, set network name SSDI as PBT Wi-Fi group number. So we change our network name SSDI to PBT Wi-Fi group 2. And third is set authentication WEP password. So also we just use the password as 12345 6 and 789. So that's all from me, and the next step will my teammate will be present. Thank you.
Hi sir, today I talk about step 6 configure IP addressing on host. Set statistic IP address including the default gateway to all PC at admin, finance, technician and receptionist. Name the PC as PC underscore X. X refer as its own location. This is the example of PC admin IP configuration. Uh, the second is IP finance interface, IP configuration. Sir. Third is PC technician, which is of example IP configuration. Sir. Fourth is PC receptionist, IP configuration. Sir. And also PC lobby, sir, IP configuration. Sir. The example of IP configuration. The second set statistic IP address including the different gateway to laptop and smartphone. Uh, Laptop IP configuration, the example of IP configuration, and smartphone IP configuration. The next step is step 7. Complete the table summary of the assigned IP address. Table 6 show the summary of an appropriate number of subnets and IP address based on their locations. Table 6 summary of assigned and IP address. Their, the table have a device interface, IP address, different gateway, subnet mask. Their device are router, switch admin, switch finance, switch technician, switch receptionist, switch lobby, wireless router, PC admin, and PC finance, PC technician, PC receptionist, PC lobby, laptop, and smartphone. Their interface, uh, their interface IP address, referral gateway, subnet mask. So the table are all fill up. The example is here. The next step is step 8 verify connectivity. The table shows connectivity status. First is PC admin. Uh, the source is PC admin. Destination is PC finance. We have a status screenshot of ping status result. PC admin to PC finance. And second is PC finance to PC receptionist. The example is PC finance common prompt. Third is PC admin to PC technician. The example of pinging common prompt. Fourth is smartphone to PC technician. The example of common prompt. Uh, Fifth is PC technician to switch lobby. The example of common prompt. The pinging example, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you.